Now, as Portmore residents raced against the clock to get their groceries, the day started off with a major showdown between Mayor Leon Thomas and JLP MP caretaker for St. Catharines Southeastern Robert Miller. Now, the brawl was particularly worrying for bewildered residents who were caught in the exchange.
The police came, SSP Blair, and said that he got directive from the municipal council to close down the farmers market.
That's because the mayor had different plans for how the provisions were to be distributed.
I saw on social media where Robert Miller, in association with some other personnel, putting on these markets at the various community centers. Now we cannot accommodate a market at a community center, and the reason is the size of the crowd that is going to go into these areas, and people from other communities are going to go there. And we want to make certain that we have wide and open spaces that they can practice social distance. It's Greater Portmore, Edgewater, Hamilton Garden, and the Climate Change Park. Those are the 4 locations that is designated for ground provision to sold.
But JLP caretaker Robert Miller argued that the move to close the farmers market and move them elsewhere was politically motivated.
We decided to work through the citizen associations. We had the Passage Fort Community Center, which is a very big location. We had the Westchester Community Center, and both facilities are enclosed. We practice the social distancing, we practice the sanitization that is needed, and we ensure that persons don't bungle at the facilities. We also take orders and deliver. But because the mayor and his team did not plan this initiative, the mayor has no part with it. This is a national crisis. The ministry is sending food to the people. You can't box out food out of people's mouth.
In the meantime, one resident who was caught in the middle of the fracas had this to say.
We're not acting childish. All I know is sit around the table and talk like adults and work out things as adults instead of going a bicker. Like say, una headless chicken. And people over here are dead for hungry.
Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.